I've been thinking about my doorbell, when you gonna ring it, when you gonna ring it. I've been thinking about my doorbell, when you gonna ring it, when you gonna ring it. I've been thinking about my doorbell, when you gonna ring it, when you gonna ring it. I've been thinking about my doorbell. Oh well, with me, chip and kiss is not the man of my life, I know. And I've been going to mystery misses, I respect the art of the show. Take back what you said, little girl, and while you're at it, take yourself back too. I tell you to sit and to wait. What you gonna do? What you gonna do about it? I've been thinking about my doorbell, when you gonna ring it, when you gonna ring it. I've been thinking about my doorbell, when you gonna ring it, when you gonna ring it. I've been thinking about my doorbell, when you gonna ring it, when you gonna ring it. I've been thinking about my doorbell. Don't seem to come around. Point your finger and make a sound. Oh, make a sound and I'll make you feel right. Right at home. Well, nobody got no way with it, baby, but how come it's so easy to you? You know it's like me times I can be careless, but your words seem so obtuse. But then again, I know you feel guilty, and I know you want me back again. I don't need any of your pity, I got plenty of my own friends care about me now. I've been thinking about my doorbell, when they gonna ring it, when they gonna ring it. I've been thinking about my doorbell, when they gonna ring it, when they gonna ring it. I've been thinking about my doorbell, when they gonna ring it, when they gonna ring it. I've been thinking about my doorbell. Don't seem to come around. Push the finger and make sound. Don't seem to come around. Maybe they'll knock them down. Yeah, I'll make a sound and I'll make you feel right. Well, right at home. You feel right at home. I've been thinking about my doorbell, when you gonna ring it, when you gonna ring it. I've been thinking about my doorbell, when you gonna ring it, when you gonna ring it. I've been thinking about my doorbell, when you gonna ring it, when you gonna ring it. I've been thinking about my doorbell. I've been thinking about my doorbell. Oh, when you gonna ring it, when you gonna ring it. I've been thinking about my doorbell, when you gonna ring it, when you gonna ring it. I've been thinking about my doorbell. Oh well.
It's Katie Tunstall live on Radio 1.
Wicked.
Thanks very much, darling.
Oh, nothing to worry about at all. See
me.
Sigh of relief.
It's not good for your heart doing stuff like that.
Okay, so what's better then, sitting here in your little hall listening to Katie Tunstall live or being in class? What did you prefer, Katie? Excellent. Brilliant stuff. Well, listen, we all know that Edith has a massive singing career. Do you know what I mean?
God.
It's so much singing. It's the Fame Academy. Did anyone watch it? Yes. Oh, wasn't she a wee darling in that? And she won that, but it all started here. Your first place that you had a music class, of course, was at Wade Academy.